Good old ZJ, bud. 5 months. 5 months I haven't driven it. Caked. Just caked. Caked with shit, you know what I mean? Check her out, see if she starts. Oh, key. There's a key. Jeep key. Oh, right the fuck up. That's right. My beater. I don't know, Marty. I think mine runs cleaner than yours.